So we are working on testing our relay to check whether our relay is good. So here is our 4-pin relay. As you can see, it has 4 pin. So we have our battery and then the wire we are using to test it. So firstly, we'll put the first wire on the positive side, which is always the one with the plus. Then we have the second wire put to the negative side. This is the one with the minus. So intact our wire first, then we'll go on testing the relay. It's not a big deal testing a relay. It's a very simple way to test a relay. So this is how we do it. So you can push a relay down, then do it like this. You see these 2 little legs? These are the one we use to test it. So when you put the 2 wire, this relay will give you a sound, like a tapping sound, like ta ta. So you hear it now. I think you guys can hear it. Let me put it closer to the camera. So that's it. That's how to confirm if our relay is working. It's not a big deal.